After a 30-day congressional review, the potential sale of 31 MQ-9B armed UAVs from General Atomics to India advances. Estimated at $3.99 billion, the deal awaits the next steps, pending Government of India's decisions, possibly delayed until after upcoming elections. Azam Chima, Lashkar-e-Taiba's intelligence chief, passed away from a heart attack, sparking speculation in Pakistan. His role in planning the 26/11 attacks and other terror incidents in India highlights ongoing security concerns. Pakistan alleges Indian involvement in his death, a claim India denies. Philippines, Japan, and India consider trilateral cooperation for security and economic growth in the Indo-Pacific. Talks focus on joint efforts amid territorial disputes. India's delivery of BrahMos missiles to the Philippines strengthens maritime ties. China expresses concern over potential tensions. NASA and ISRO will jointly launch the NISAR satellite on March 30th using ISRO's GSLV F-14 rocket. This collaboration underscores India's prowess in cryogenic technology, promising advancements in satellite capabilities with implications for both civilian and military sectors. Nepal's ambassador to India welcomes RBI's new guidelines enabling significant financial transactions between the two nations. Individuals can now remit up to 2 lakh rupees per transaction, with walk-in customers allowed 50,000 rupees per transaction. The Unified Payment Interface and Nepal Clearing House Limited will further streamline transactions. India's Tejas Mk1A program is set to procure 97 additional fighter jets, requiring increased engine production by General Electric. GE, HAL, and GE officials will address previous delays in engine delivery. The F404N 20 engines production will be ramped up to meet India's demand for over 120 new engines. Bharat Defence website showcases Kalyani Group's MArG 155mm 39 caliber gun system. A variant with an autoloader system is featured, improving firing efficiency and crew safety. The system offers exceptional mobility and rapid deployment, with units delivered to Armenia and undergoing Indian Army trials.